Hello, welcome to a simple Java program. A Java program is executed from the main method in the class. Let's begin with a simple Java program that displays the message Welcome to Java on the console. The word console is an old computer term that refers to the text entry and display device of a computer. Console input means to receive input from the keyboard, and console output means to display output on the monitor. To start a simple program, go to File, New, Java, give a project name, like we say test, next, and finish. Here on text, right-click, New class, welcome. And check this box, public static void main method. Finish. Here we have a new project. Note the line numbers are for reference purposes only. They are not part of the program, so don't type line numbers in your program. These lines numbers. Line 3 defines a class. Every Java program must have at least one class. Each class has a name. Class names start with an uppercase letter. In this example, the class name is welcome. Line 5 defines the main method. The program is executed from the main method. A class may contain several methods. The main method is the entry point where the program begins executions. A method is a construct that contains statements. The main method in the program contains the system.out.println statement. The statement displays the string welcome to Java. This is the statement. System.out.println Java. On the console, this statement displays the string welcome to Java on the console. A string is a programming term meaning a sequence of characters. A string must be enclosed in double quotation mark. String must be enclosed in double quotation marks, like here, welcome to Java. Every statement in Java ends with a semicolon, known as the statement terminator. Reserved words or keywords have a special meaning to the compiler and cannot be used for the other purposes in the program. For example, when the compiler sees the word class here, it understands that the word after class is the name of the class, that it's here, welcome. Other reserved words in this program are public, static, and void. Line 6 is a command that documents what the program is and how it's constructed. Commands help programmers to communicate and understand the program. They are not programming statements and thus are ignored by the compiler. In Java, commands are preceded by 2 slashes on a line, called a line command, like here, or enclosed between slash and star in the end and slash on one or several lines, called a block command or paragraph command. When the compiler sees double slashes, it ignores all the text after slashes on the same line. When it sees a slash star, it scans for the next star and slash and ignores any text between slash and star and in the end star and slash. Like we write like here, slash and star, we write this application program displays welcome to Java. In the end star and slash. The compiler ignores all the text between slash and star and in the end star and slash. A pair of braces in a program forms a block that groups the program's components. In Java, each block begins with an opening brace and end with a closing brace. Every class has a class block that groups the data and method of the class. Every method has a method block that groups the statements in the method. Blocks can be nested, meaning that one block can be placed within another. Like here, we have this block for the class and this block for the method. An opening brace must be matched by a closing brace. Whenever you type an opening brace, immediately type a closing brace to prevent the missing brace error. Most Java IDEs automatically insert the closing brace for each opening brace. You have seen several special characters, for example, braces and slashes and semicolon in the program. They are used in almost every program. The most common errors you will make as you learn the program will be syntax errors. Like any programming language, Java has its own syntax, and you need to write code that conforms to the syntax rules. If your program violates the rule, for example, if the semicolon is missing, or a brace is missing, or a quotation mark is missing, or a word is misspelled, the Java compiler will report syntax errors. Try to compile the program with these errors and see what the compiler reports. Opening and closing braces denote a block to enclose statement. Opening and closing parentheses used with methods. Opening and closing brackets, like here, denote an array. Double slashes precede a command line. Opening and closing quotation marks enclose a string, for example, sequence of characters. Semicolon mark the end of a statement. The program here display one statement and one message. Once you understand the program, it's easy to extend it to display more messages. For example, you can rewrite the program to display 3 messages. I hope that you will try to write 3 messages and type this statement system.out.println and write whatever you would like to write and see when you do run for the program what you will have. See you soon. Happy coding.